name is Kai, and my book report is about Rain Rain.
Hi, I'm Rose, and I'm 11 years old and in 5th grade. My name's a homonym. I love homonyms. Rose, Rose, 2, 2, 2. This is my dog, Rain. Come here, Rain. Rain, Rain.
Rain was found by Rose's dad without a collar. This is Rose's dad. He's a mechanic. He works at the J&R garage. This is Rose's uncle, Weldon. He works in construction. He takes Rose to school every day.
Hi, I'm Parvani, Rose's friend, and I also like homonyms.
One day, a superstorm, Hurricane Susan, hit Hartford, New York, and Rose was trapped in her house for a week, and Rain disappeared. I'm going to show you a little clip of a superstorm. Eventually, Rose found Rain at an animal shelter after 2 months, and she decided to give her to her old owners. The end.